हेलो एंड वेलकम बैक टू द न्यू एडिशन ऑफ देसी शेयर मार्केट यूट्यूब चैनल में आप सभी का स्वागत है. टुडे वी आर गोइंग टू सी three penny stocks with tremendous returns. If you might have invested 10,000 rupees in these three shares in September 2020, today it has grown to 1,90,000. So that's a 6 months return. So we will. The first stock is the present price is 34 rupees 35 paise. In September 1st, the price of the stock was only 11 rupees 80 paise, and the stock name is Ashia. And in September, if you might have invested 10,000, you will get 848 shares. And today, March 1st, 2021, that 848 shares has become 29,128 rupees 80 paise. So this is our first stock. So Ashia Limited, it is listed in both NSE and BSE. NSE stock symbol is Ashia, BSE stock symbol is 506074. It's a micro cap company with a market capital of 886 crore. The current price is 34.4, highest is 36.2, lowest is 6.45. And book value is negative 2.44, dividend yield is nil, ROC is minus 1.63 and ROC is minus 114%. Face value is 2. The pros and cons of the company. The pros of the company has reduced debt, and cons are company has low interest coverage ratio. Company has delivered a poor sales growth of minus 1.91% over past 5 years. Contingent liabilities of 723.9 crore. Promoter have pledged 100% of their holding. Company's cost of borrowing seems high. Promoter holding has decreased over last 3 years to minus 719%. Stock number 2 is Digi Spice, and the present price is 99.1 rupees, and in 2020 September 1st the price of the stock was only 8 rupees 55 paise, and in 10,000 rupees if you have invested in this stock in September 2020, you will get 1170 shares. 1170 शेयर मिलेगा आपको उसी टाइम, and those shares become in today the price of that shares has become to 1,15,947 rupees. So that was a huge growth. This Digi Spice Technologies Limited also listed in both stock market. In BSE stock symbol is 517214, NSE stock symbol is Digi Spice. It's a small cap company with a market capital of 2,259 crore. Current price is 99.1 rupees. Highest is the same 99.1. Lowest is 2.80. Stock P is 207. That's very high. Book value is 10.5. Dividend yield is 0. ROC is minus 1.04. ROE is minus 4.86 with a face value of 3. So pros and cons of the company. The pros, the company has reduced debt. Company is almost debt free. Company is expected to give a good quarter. The cons of the company, stock is trading at 9.43 times its book value. Company has delivered a poor sales growth of minus 30.54% over the past 5 years. Company has a low ROE of minus 0.26% for the last 3 years. Stock number 3 is TTML, Tata Teleservices, and the price of the stock is 15.8 rupees today, and in September it was only 3.5 rupees. In 10,000 rupees, if you might have invested in September, you will get 2,857 shares. Those 2,857 shares has turned to become 45,140.6 rupees. So Tata Teleservices Maharashtra Limited, BSE stock symbol is 532371, NSE stock symbol is TTML. It's also a small cap company with a market capital of 3,079 crore. The current price of the stock is 15.8, highest is 23.2, lowest is 1.8. Book value is negative 91.9 with a face value of 10. That's our third stock. So pros and cons of the company. The cons of the company has a low interest coverage ratio. Company has delivered a poor sales growth of minus 17.92% over the last 5 years. Contingent liabilities of 1,156.33 crore, 33 crore. Debtor days have increased from 32.53 to 41.22 days. So these are the 3 stocks today we have discussed. Let's see how we can calculate the total return. So it's a portfolio of 30,000. 10,000 3 स्टॉक में हमने निवेश किया, so total will become 30,000 बन गया 30,000. So today it has turned to 1,90,216 in 6 months. So 848 shares of Ashia Limited, it has today value is 29,128.8, and 1170 Digi Spice shares has become 1,15,947 rupees, and 287 Tata Teleservices shares has become 45,140.6 rupees. The total portfolio value of as of today is 1,90,216.40 rupees. So this is the portfolio of 30,000, which has grown to a huge value of 1,90,216 rupees in 6 months. So thanks for watching. Please do subscribe, like and share, and press the bell icon for future notification. Wish you all happy investing. Thank you.